My name is Aliyah and my code number is 2.
My name is Tasya and my code number is 15.
My name is Sendy and my number is 14.
And my name is Nienda, my code number is 8. So, the case of the clash of Vietnamese Indonesian ships is not the first time has happened. From the video, it can be seen the Vietnamese ships are indeed fishing for Indonesian ships that want to make a scene, even though in this situation, Vietnamese ships were caught entering in the Indonesian Sea territorial zone, which can crash into Indonesian ships to cause a commotion. Religiously, it has been thought to solve problems well by means of a cold hit, so that there are no more problems that are not won by both parties. As for any religion, it must be taught that such disrespectful deeds are not worthy of being applied in our lives.
In the future, Indonesia must increase the number of fleets and personnel guarding the sea border, including the deployment of drones, which some time ago had been discussed. That way, foreign ships that want to break the line can be driven away, so that conflicts can be avoided. The government must also confirm the boundaries in the sea with neighboring countries so that similar incidents do not recur, because it was important because Vietnam claimed that the incident occurred in its territory. Furthermore, the incident of the two ships took place in the Exclusive Economic Zone, or ZEE, that is, the coastal state has sovereign right over natural resources that exist in the sea. But the region is not a territorial sea that is under state sovereignty. However, the problem is that Indonesia and Vietnam do not have an agreement regarding the limits of the ZEE.
Based on Pancasila, as we know, it is the state or ideology that is applied in Indonesia, and all of its people apply life, society, and state based on Pancasila value. Because Pancasila is the basis and ideology used in Indonesia, there are prevailing norms in Indonesia where all citizens apply life based on existing norms. The second principle is fair and civilized humanity. This explains that every citizen in Indonesia must be just and civilized in humanity, where when there are serious problems, the Indonesian people must be fair with the others. They should not judge themselves based on them. Civilized explain that living in Indonesia has prevailing norms that have been implemented for a long time, based on the action of Vietnam, which entered illegally into Indonesian sea and tried to sink the Indonesian Navy ship that wanted to capture. There were no values from Pancasila because the Vietnamese ship immediately panicked and immediately tried to make the Indonesian Navy sink. If based on Pancasila, Vietnam should have a good manner to explain to the Indonesian side fairly, accept the consequences that will be received. Based on the fourth principle is populism, which is led by wisdom in deliberation representation. This explains that the Indonesian people must reach a consensus and deliberate when they want to express their opinion, and are also orderly. But in this case of Vietnam, they did not implement the deliberation. They could submit well to the Indonesian side, and they were not orderly by directly attacking by Indonesian Navy ships.
Based off the incident between a Vietnamese flag ship crashing into the hull of the Indonesian Navy ship Farras tadi 381 circulating on social media. The incident occurred on Saturday, April 27 at 2:45 p.m. in the North Natuna Sea, which is the territory of the Indonesian Exclusive Economic Zone, or ZEE. The ship was caught stealing fish in Natuna waters. KRI Commander Jeep Tadi then arrested the Vietnamese flagged fishing vessel. However, the fishing boat was apparently escorted by a Vietnam fisheries supervision ship, and the escort tried to block the Navy personnel at the KRI Jeep Tadi 381. The ship provoked it to cross its body onto the KRI Jeep Tadi 381. Then, the 12 illegal Vietnamese fishing boat crew were taken and will be handed over to the Indonesian Navy for the next legal process.